guys, I hope you enjoyed my morning routine. Sorry for the noise. I had the dishwasher going and my robot vacuum. But yeah, I was gonna do like a little like cute, nice, aesthetic outro or whatever. But honestly, the time got away from me. Some personal stuff got in the way, and so now I'm just kind of over this video. I tried my best, but yeah, now like it's over. But you pretty much got the idea. That is my morning routine, and now I'm just about to go run some errands, trying to see if I can catch this Sam's Club membership for $8, and you know, just go on about my day. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.